the Gracie Mansion, the residence of Mayor New York City Zohran Mamdani, as the protest was taking place by the extreme rights or the anti-religious or anti-Islamist protesters led by Jake Long. But as the counter-protesters clashed with them, it ended up two explosive devices burst out in front of Gracie Mansion, the mayor New York City's residence. The police department of New York City has taken an immediate action, and the commissioner New York City Police Department has briefed on the case that this explosive device was neither a Hawks device nor a smoke bomb, but it had actually some explosive materials in it, and also screws, nuts, bolts, and as the police department has labeled it, hobby fuse was actually intermingled in this device, and it could have potentially caused an injury or even death for what that matter. The perpetrators who did this crime, or who committed this crime of throwing an explosive device on the protesters, on the conglomerated protesters outside the mayor's residence, were identified as Amir Balat and Ibrahim Qayyumi, who were arrested immediately, taken into custody, and FBI came into action along with the police department of New York City in this regard. Conducted, and scrutiny will be done upon these devices, as the New York City Police Department has said that was thrown by one of the offender or perpetrator in front of the police barrier outside the mayor's residence was unable to explode. Thus they threw another one, which ended up bursting and creating an alarming situation among the protesters. And analysis and meticulous scrutiny is going to be done on these explosive devices, their functions, and their potential harm they could cause protesters, and thus the perpetrators or violators will be dealt accordingly, and in estimating or in accordance with the estimation of the consequences or devastation that they could have caused. Jake Long, who was leading the protest against Zohran Mamdani outside his residence, was also the same person who tried to storm the US Capitol in 2021 and pardoned by the current president of United States of America, President Donald J. Trump. Leading from Jake Long's hypothesis that it is actually the election of Zohran Mamdani in New York City is actually the Islamification of New York City, and at the same time he is disregarding the huge diaspora, rather an enormous diaspora of 1 million Muslims residing in New York City, and now of course have an Islamic mayor upon them. It is not only a home to 1 million people, but it has a socialist Muslim mayor now, who said that violence is not the last resort in such situations. It is not only reprehensible but also an antithesis of who we are. He strongly condemned the protesters, these actions, and the explosive device bursting out. And as far as the leading situation or circumstances are concerned, the New York City Police Department and FBI has taken connection and is conducting its analysis and evaluation that who was actually the mastermind or behind these explosive devices, and what could have been the circumstances or consequences if they could have bursted out among this conglomerated, crowded protesters outside the mayor's house or residence, Gracie Mansion in New York City. Thank you.